working in your company soon.
Oh yeah, we got all these employees here. Everybody here looking for a job, man. Yo, this box got tagged, man. Damn, all the Kuru love. Hey, thanks, baby. All right, Lottie.
Later, Lottie.
Later. Yeah, it is. Just us loading this amazing thing. I'm good, dude. I always damage anything nice I have. Oh, dude, my heart would drop, bro. All right, guys, so we bought this body kit at 7-Eleven. They were selling it. I came to get a Slurpee, and I found a Zenki kit. Oh my God, dude. Nope. I don't know what to expect. I've never had something like this. Yeah, we put it in like a corner where we can't get around. Oh yeah, this is the front.
Stickers.
Well, as always, Blake's after the food.
Yeah, I just came here for snacks.
Well, indeed. There you go.
Yeah.
Damn, look at this rear bumper. I love this front bumper, bro. So fire. Bro, why would you do that, dude?
Dude, look at how good of a thumbnail that is now.
Yeah, popcorn with all the junk in the back, our barbecue. That cover 240 that gets no love. At least it's getting some love now. Hey, thanks again too for helping me pick it up. And yeah, take that box with you home, bro. What am I gonna do with a huge ass box? This is like a coffin, bro. We could put stickers? Nice. Here, take one. What's up, guys? We're gonna interrupt today's video with our sponsor, SeeSII. SeeSII is a company I love. I've worked with this company for a while, done a lot of their product testings and ads for them. They went ahead and sent me this new setup. You guys might have remember seeing SeeSII before with the electronic hydraulic jack we used on the Supra with the tire wrench. Very set, is very nice. Anyways, the SeeSII that they sent me today, let's see what it is. I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. So we got a cordless impact wrench, WH700. Very nice. So I assume this is like the SeeSII version of the Milwaukee, like medium-sized stubs. Check this out, this thing is dope. So we got the impact wrench, brushless motor, I want to say. Then it comes with two of these big batteries, 21V 10-piece batteries. It has the little charge lights in the front, very nice. And then in here, I believe there's like a strap, some new friction rings, drill bits. So if I'm not wrong, this you can use as 3 different items. It can be used as an impact wrench, which in here you can see it comes with all the impact heads. And then it also comes with this head, which switches from an anvil to a normal like push style, which I believe this is then for these Allen styles and our drill bit. So just like that, this is what I was talking about. You put the drill bit into this piece, or you can use these Allen star pattern flathead screw hip pieces into it, and I believe this just goes on top of the anvil. So just like that, you can use this as a drill, and then if you wanted to, you could remove to use as like a screwdriver, or you could use as an impact wrench. So it comes with a set of these, I believe from 22 mil all the way down to 17. So just like this, you just take it on the anvil, slap it on, and you got yourself an impact. So we got our battery on now. This thing is sick. So yeah, with the SeeSII kit, obviously it's a 3-in-1 drill bit, drill, screwdriver set, and an impact wrench. So very nice. I believe this has up to 700 foot-pound of nut braking force. Very nice setup. For this whole setup comes a charger, 2 batteries, impact, all those fittings and everything. It's absolutely a steal. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself one of these SeeSII impact wrenches or drills, etc., they have tons of other products. Check them out. The link's in my description. Thank you, SeeSII, for sponsoring today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so you guys saw the intro, and we got the body kit. Shout out to 7-Eleven, my old job, letting me get it delivered there. Shout out to Cooler Works. But yeah, we got the fenders on from the previous video. Origin 75mm rears, 55mm front. We got our side skirts, and then obviously we got our URAS full body kit. That's the rear bumper. Super sick. Shout out to Cooler Works. Ooh, nice. Anyways, so I went ahead and took these bumper pieces. Obviously, since this old car beat the shit, but I went ahead and drilled out the holes a little bit bigger so it fits nicely. Same thing on this side. And what you're gonna want to do now is pick up the bumper, and we're gonna go put it in the rear. So you guys can see we have these 3 holes, and that's where those holes on the sides are gonna go into, and you'll have to tighten it with the nut on the back. And then this top portion right here, I'm gonna maybe use push clips for now, but maybe later down the road I'll put rivets based on how I see, but push clips might be more than enough. And then for the corners, for right here, I don't know what I'm gonna do till I get there. But yeah, anyways, just wanted to show that, so we're gonna throw that on. All right, so we threw the bumper on. We tightened the 3 bolts, nut from inside, and then just for extra security, I self-tapped right here too into it. And we also installed the side skirt, self-tapped. Unfortunately, this cracked. That was my fault, but all good. And then 3 right there. Some on the inside of the door, and then 3 right here, and 4 right there to mount it. But it came out good. It's looking sick. So now we're gonna do the other side, and yeah, let's get to it. So for the rear quarter panel, for these Origin fenders, I had to cut them a little bit on this side. I cut it a little short, but it's all good. We'll fill this gap in, no worries. But yeah, pretty much that's how it is. Bolted up. This side's perfect. Came out killer. This thing looks crazy. And then same thing with this side. Did the same thing. This side fit was a lot more flush. But now we're gonna go ahead and start on the front. So I got a new set of front lights as well. The front bumper lights with the little markers on the side. So we're gonna throw those on and then throw the front bumper on. But pretty much the front bumper is super easy. Body comes with these holes marked. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is mock it up right here and then drill the holes, and probably pass like 2 screws through with a nut and the zip ties. And for this corner, I'm not really sure. My car doesn't have it. Looks like it might have had it, but I'm just gonna zip tie it, and then we're good to go. And then we throw the front lights on, and that's pretty much it. Super easy, guys. If you buy a nice authentic kit, you never have to worry about fitment, because everything bolted right up. All right, just like that, we got our whole front end on. Look at that, that looks so sick. We got our lights on too, mounted up, and then our center grille. Oh, our intercooler. So yeah, front bumper was super easy. Everything mounted right up, and then for the inner side, you guys can see nut and bolt passed through right there on the fiberglass, and that's pretty much it. Both sides did that. I might zip tie the bottoms to just the intercooler pipe, this area, just to hold it from folding back down. But yeah, everything came out killer. This kit is perfect. Fitment's perfect. Oof, so good. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Any 240 owners, hopefully this helped you out. But everything's nice and flush. Fitment's so good. So happy with it. Anyways, next we gotta do the wheels. Fuel system is almost done, and you guys already know this thing's almost ready to be rolling. Anyways, thank you. See you guys next week. Peace.